What's up, everybody? We're back with another episode of Bullish Chips, where we use a proven and repeatable strategy to make money every day. This channel happens to focus on the Bullish Semiconductor ETF, which goes by the ticker symbol SOXL, but the charting method and the trading method that we use can be implemented with any company that's publicly traded in the U.S. stock market. So make sure you hit that like button if you enjoy this video. It really helps the channel grow. Appreciate those who continue to view and tune in. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell as well. That way you are alerted when we release our videos. We do release bonus content from time to time as well, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Now the nightly and weekend videos, like tonight's video, mostly focused on identifying triggers and targets for trades ranging from scalps and intraday trades to long-term swings and leaps as well. So if you want a deeper dive into how we set up our charts and the trading levels that we use, check out the bonus content. We have some videos that do a deeper dive into how we set up our charts. So make sure you check those out. And yeah, I just encourage you to view the full video that we have. We do go over triggers and targets, but we give some pretty good insight into all time frames. So let's go ahead and get into today's price action. This will be a shortened holiday edition. It'll be a little bit longer than yesterday's video. I didn't really have any time yesterday to put one together, but this one will be a little bit shorter than the normal one still. So let's go ahead and look at the charts here. Let's just go from the 15-minute real quick. And let's maximize this sell. All right, we can see how in the morning we opened up, basically pressed up against this 1 hour downtrend line, pushed up, got rejected by it and last week's high, went down, made a lower low, but we're able to push back up and make a higher high on the 15-minute time frame. So was able to defeat this downtrend line that we had going there. If we go to, I should have just went to the next one. If we look at the 1 hour, you can see here we had a lower high followed by a lower low, but we came back and made a higher high there as well. So really just continuing to push higher. What it really was, if we look at the 4 hour time frame, we put in a soft higher low here on today's price action. So got the soft higher low, pushed higher. Now we do need to watch out. We did get a pretty small 2 up today, so and the second 4 hour of today. So got to watch out for this 2 up, 2 down tomorrow in that first 4 hour candle. That would bring us, magnitude would take us back down to the low of this 3, and we got to watch for any more continued downside action. That would give us obviously a lower high on the 4 hour. So we got to continue to watch that. And another reason is because we did put in, although it was a green day today, we did go 2 down, which locked in yesterday as a lower high. So on the day time frame and on the 4 hour time frame, looks like we could be rolling over to produce these lower highs and see if we're going to make lower lows equal lows, or even higher lows. If we do make equal or higher lows, it could just be consolidation. We could just be moving sideways here. But got to watch out for that lower low that would put us into a downtrend. So don't want to really see that before this Santa Claus rally next week in the first week of January. But if it gets us better positions for some longs for maybe a week or 2 swing, that's not the worst thing in the world either, right? Let's take a look at the 1 week chart real quick, just zooming out. Right, we talked about yesterday, we did go 2 up, setting last week as a higher low. And let's just get a better chart here. Right, that's not the chart that I want. There we go. So we did set the higher low by going 2 up this week already, but we are red. We're lower than where we opened this week, as signified by this dashed line here. So we do need to continue to watch out. We're coming from a lower high. So we do need to look for any lower highs as well. This 46.79 we've talked about in the past has been a major level of support resistance. If we just go to the day chart, it illustrates it even better. Right, if we go to the day chart, we can see resistance, resistance, a little bit of support here, resistance, 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 support, resistance. So watch for that 46.79 to be a major level of resistance there if we do get that push up and turn the week green. But just going back to the week chart, we are in a hammerish candle type of structure. on the week so far. So even though it is red, if we were to finish just like this, because tomorrow, the December 24th, is a shortened trading session. Actually, yes, and Friday is a shortened trading session. So we just want to make sure that we finish, even if it's red, in that more of a hammer style, showing that the bears tried to push it down, but the bulls were able to push back up. So again, not much breaking down from the week perspective. Same thing from the month, right? We're still inside on the month, but we are green. And we did almost test the highs previously, so we're just looking to go back and press those. You can see we're up against this 100% fib extension of the bull flag from the April 7th low. If we go back to the week, right, we see here is the flag pole right here from the April 7 low up to July highs. And then we have this flag here. So if we take the extensions, here's the 100% fib extension of that, and you can see we're pressed right against it right now. So again, from the week, month, nothing really breaking down. The month is still green. If we look at the quarter, right, if you're familiar with this channel, you know that we have been in this, come on, Thinkorswim. We have been in this one combo 2 down, combo 2 up strat since we broke 36.15. So again, just want to remain above 36.15, and as long as we're above that, then we're looking for the magnitude of that move, which is 70.08, right? Because it's not the high of the one, but it's the high of the candle to the left of the one. So up here at 70.08 is the ultimate target for us. And then if we go ahead and switch to the year, we know that we triggered the 1, 2 up, 2 down earlier this year, but we were able to bounce in April down here at the lows, making a higher low, and pushing up, giving us a nice green hammer candle, looking to go 2 down and then 2 up in 2026, which will give us a 2 down, 2 up reversal, which would have a magnitude of the candle to the left of the 2 down, which is again that 70.08. So 70.08 is the magic number, but really the 46.79 is the one that we've got to clear and make some type of higher low above before I'm going to have confidence that we're going to go up here and try and fill this gap and reach the magnitude of those moves. All right, so that's what we've got from the zoomed in and zoomed out perspective. At this time, I'm just going to leave you with the notes and the triggers and targets for this week, for tomorrow, and just leave it at that. I hope everybody's having a great holiday week, and we really look forward to continuing to finish the year out on a high note, and we're really excited about next year because of where we're finishing this year, right? If we can finish at the top of this year's candle or as close to that as possible, then we've have a real good chance of going 2 up early on in 2026 and giving us that 2 down, 2 up on the year, which goes right in hand with the 1 combo 2 down, combo 2 up on the quarter. So here are your triggers and targets. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening. If you're watching this on Tuesday night, hope you enjoy your Christmas Eve morning, Christmas Eve day, and Christmas. If I don't make any videos before then, I just hope everybody has a great holiday week, and we will definitely be back next week, and be ready for a little bit more trading before the year is over. All right, have a good day.